What is it? What is going on with you? Okay. Is there something bothering you? I mean, something you think I should know about? You know you can tell me anything.
There's nothing. There's actually nothing bothering me. Or maybe there's something about you I should have known.
About me? Babe, you know everything about me. I told you everything about me. My past bad habits of drinking, smoking, hanging around bad boys.
Sleeping around different men. Yeah, sleeping with different men.
Yes. But it's all in the past. And I am not proud of it, even though it's the truth.
You also have a daughter. And you've had, or should I say you've done a series of abortions.
What is going on with you, babe? Like, where is all of this coming from? Why are you sounding as if you're just hearing about it now? I told you myself, you know my past. As a matter of fact, I changed because of you. You turned me into this decent woman in front of you. You should be proud of me. I have been consistent with this change.
Who are you and what are you doing here?
I did look for Rika, that Johnson girl.
Wait, oh. Is it my Oga's girlfriend you're referring to as that Johnson girl? Are you high?
See, you know look where you get. I dey in a good mood today. And the mission why I come for here, they're different. If not, if I just collect like this now.
You know what? She doesn't live here.
It be like say it is I come here, come they open teeth with you, Abi. It is I come here, come they open teeth with you. Me, I make me and you come they laugh.
She's not living here. She's not living here.
Come, it be like say you dey mad, Abi. Abi, what my change that for you? You dey craze? Come on, go inside, go down and Rika say, what here, come on, see her. Here, they open teeth.
Someone is out there. He said he wants to see you.
Who is that?
He said his name is Wahab.
How did you find this place?
Do you know him?
Yes. I'll see him.
No, ma. He looks very dangerous. He looks like a criminal.
Hey! Do not let him hear you say that. Excuse me. What are you doing here?
My baby. See, the message I can't deliver give you like this. I know that you feel digest them.
Why did you do it? She did you no wrong.
Rika, you know sir, I love you. And you know sir, I no go feel hurt your sister. The matter will happen be say, na coincidence.
Then who did it? She wasn't sick. She never complained of anything. All of a sudden, she just passed.
See, yesterday I dey smoke my marijuana normally. You know me now, you know sir, I dey like smoke normally. I dey smoke my ganja. Your sister just appear. Can't deliver message, can't give me. Now that same message I can't deliver, might give you like this.
Oh my God. She appeared to you. What did she say? What did she say? Huh?
Rika, see, I know so you and Popsy know they close. But the clear matter be say, now your Popsy, now you kill your sister.
What? You out of your mind? How can you just stand here and speak ill of my father? You're crazy.
You see they speak English. See, whatever you do, I don't deliver the message, give your sister. Oh. And by the way, Seth, I don't know your house. Remember, me and you still get score to settle. Rika.
Chief, good afternoon, sir. Good.
Return my money right away. I said return my money right now.
Me? How? I did not take your money now. What are you talking about? Eh? Which one is that should return your money? Which money? Did you see me taking any money? I didn't take your money, oh.
If only I knew, I would have taken that money this morning. Because I know you will not have any left for me. And now let me let you know this. If you take my money, it will be useless.
Chief, no one they make me vex. I go change them for you. Did you see me stealing your money? Which kind of accusation be that one? Look, I did not collect your money. I'm not a thief. What are you trying to say? Don't get me angry. I cannot come and visit my father. I cannot enter your room again. And now an outcast, Abby.
I know who will cause more damage. But let me assure you, if you take my money is going to be useless to you. Yes, I mean my hard-earned money. You will see my money. You will feel it. You will touch it. But it will be useless to you until you turn a new leaf.
That is if I took your money now. That is what you are saying now will happen if I took your money. I did not take your money. So it's not going to happen.
This world is a sweet place. If only me and you are, we can love each other. If only we can love each other. This world, we content all of us. If only we can
My baby,
love each other.
I don't hear.
Oh, love each other. Oh, we can love each other.
Afana, you don't ready?
I don't ready.
Yeah, I just carry my bag now.
We changing a more, one change man. We changing a more.
Wow!
One change man.
Huh? What's
You're a better person. You have changed man, change man.
Wow! Come.
What happened?
What happened? The money? The bag soft. The money? What happened to the money? Eh? The bag now, nothing there inside, everything empty. Eh? How far?
No, now. I didn't up now, nobody enter this place. So how the money contact miss?
My papa run now. My papa run now. You know say, don't they suspected this man a ritualist, but hi!
But why you talk like that?
You see, when I collect this money, I move the money, they won't come out. My papa lock me. He tell me say make I go drop the money, because I don't go your money. He tell me say that money, I go see him, I go touch him, but I don't go spend them.
You say?
I did tell you now, wait till the man talk. You know, I have been thinking, I have been suspecting that this man is a ritualist, but you see this matter now, I don't clear everything. That man I wish.
But I tell you before, I don't hear you this thing before. I tell you say that man say I don't trust him.
No, the money don't go, everything don't go. You know, we just leave change, safe. Eh?
So this is true. My father is a ritualist. Did he use my sister for ritual? No, I don't want to believe that. I hope this is not true. Why would he use his own daughter for money ritual?
Rika, I thought you said you were disconnected with the guy. What were you doing out there with him?
I just saw him outside.
So you brought him to my house?
No! It is Wahab we're talking about. He's very dangerous. It's possible he traced me down here.
Does that mean my house is no longer safe for me?
Babe, calm down. Why are you sounding this way? You promised to stand by me through this whole ordeal. Are you changing your mind now?
Rika, I can only try. Do you understand me? I can only try. Changing is entirely your business. You need to stay away from bad people.
I am a changed person. I don't hang around bad people. In fact, most of those guys are dead. Some are in prison. Wahab is the only one that is free. I don't know how he found this place, but please, I promise you I am a changed person. I just need little time to sort this out. That is all.
Rika.
Yes, baby.
Listen to me and listen good. Whether or not you change is entirely your business.
Babe.
That boy too stubborn.
Make him just dey do him own. You know say if you carry that boy enter touch your room, if I deck am, I will say you don chop.
But you go hear am now. You go know say dem no dey use lighter go hellfire.
Never hear that song, men mount.
You go see the next one.
You dey hear that music, men mount to men mount.
Huh? Wow. You go know say.
Shut up!
Hey, guys.
Boss man.
Yeah, what's up? Nice job, guys. Nice job. Miss Nick has been calling me, asking me about that small boy, if he has confessed.
But so, that boy too stubborn. Upon everything we don't do and the boy no want talk the truth.
I pity him. Because if I should lay my hands on him, he will not forget the day he was born.
Commando, leave the boy now. Why you go lay your hand on? Where we dey here? Where?
You know what? Take him to the torture room.
Shut up! Otilo.
Are you ready to tell the truth?
I did not do it, sir. I don't know what happened to her. I didn't do it, sir.
So what happened to Amanda?
Yes, sir. I loved her with my whole life. I could not hurt Amanda.
You did not kill her.
Yes, sir.
Come on, open your mouth and talk.
Not up!
No one said the truth, man. You never say anything. You keep asking the asking question, you talk nonsense.
Consider yourself dead if you don't want to say the truth. So speak.
I did it, sir.
So, tell me, how did it happen?
Poisoned her drink. I poisoned her drink.
Bad boy.
You poisoned her drink. How did you get the poison?
Come on, God. Are you ready to say something?
My father.
Your father.
Hi! Your father, native doctor.
Bro, I'm yet to understand the meaning of what you did.
Getting married to her is going to be the biggest mistake.
Tochi, you have sacrificed a lot for that girl to make her who she is today. So I don't think it's right to give up at this point.
I shouldn't have spoken to her about marriage.
But no one forced you to do. You willingly started prophesizing love. And after a while, you start talking about marriage. Why are you not acting as if someone pushed you to propose to her?
Well, I just realized it's not the right woman for me. Yeah. I realized that I can't be with her. She's not the right person for me.
Have you thought about what you stand to lose? If the father found out that you're no longer interested, he may reduce your benefit in the company as the son-in-law to be.
That's the problem now.
Listen, you still have enough money and connection that can fix you in a lucrative business. That is if you're smart enough to use what you have and get what you want.
Frank, I made a mistake and I've learned from them.
Ma, he has finally said the truth.
I said it. That boy is green snake in a green grass.
The idiot poisoned her drink.
Hi. What did my innocent daughter do to him? We all took him as our own. We provide him with whatever he needs. Oh, Odinaka, why would you cause us this kind of pain? Eh?
Well, according to him, he said his father gave him the poison.
What?
Yes.
Hi! This is unbelievable. Why would my uncle? Mom, I am not surprised. I am not surprised at all. I keep saying it, but you people will not listen to me. Let your father come back home and hear this. So Odinaka killed my daughter.
Lies! Lies, mother! I have told you to leave that innocent boy alone. Leave him alone.
But he confessed with his mouth.
Young lady, if you doubt me whether to come to the office, I will bring him before you and make him to speak.
Oh.
I am professional in this job. I can't lay a false accusation on him.
Liar. That is what you are. You think I don't know what you people do in that your office? You think I don't know how you operate, how you make innocent people confess to offense they know nothing about? If you do not change for this animalistic job of yours, you will meet your Waterloo very soon.
Watch your tongue. You are talking to the commander.
Commander, my foot.
Rika, shut up.
Mother, please do not shut me up. Allow me to address this idiot very well. Yes! It is not right for you to just make people confess to things they know nothing about. It is an offense that is punishable by the law if you do not know. Don't worry. One day, the souls of all those innocent people you have killed will come for your hearts. But for now, you will get up from that sofa and get out of my father's house!
How dare you? How dare you?
My friend, get out! Get out!
Rika, see, you just have to calm down. Oh. You heard him confess. You heard him say that Odinaka confessed to killing Amanda.
Oh, please calm down. Have you been on the streets? Do you know how the street works? Well, I know because I've been there. I know these people. I know how they think. They can make an innocent person confess to killing 200 persons when that person can actually not hurt a fly. So do not tell me what I know. Mother, you have to let that boy go. Mother, if you do not let that boy go, I will bring down this house and I will set it ablaze. You know what I am capable of. Try me.
Rika, please, you don't say this. So, Mother, we will not allow him go. He killed our sister. What is it? He poisoned Amanda. Let him go where? He must pay for his sins. Commander, I am sorry. Please. I am sorry for what happened the other time.
No one talks to me that way and goes free. I only keep calm because of the respect I have for you.
Please, I'm sorry. You know children of nowadays. Just find a place in your heart to forgive him, Biko.
Mama, you know you are the only shade she has. You need to let her know that she will not always get away with such rubbish.
And please, just forgive her. Please, I beg you. Have this. Buy drink for yourself and your boys.
Mama. You're always on point. See, Mama, I'm at your service. Anything you want, I will do it for you.
Okay, please, I want him released.
Mama, I hope you are not being pressed against your wish.
No, no, not at all. You know, he is my husband's cousin, so we decided to settle the matter in our family.
Okay. I will always grant your wish, as long as I'm still in charge. Mama the mama.
Thank you so much.
I might believe you. I know what you do. Hey, Mama, this stick.
Let's manage it, okay?
This one will go one way.
Move boy. Come here, come to go. What happened?
I don't understand. What guy not they respond now?
Me look like the thing go.
Now what you they think? That I don't buy.
This one you do the do and all these children come. How? Me look better the think. This guy don't buy.
matter?
Mama, we lost him.
What? Commander, please. Stop this joke. Go and bring him out. I want to take him home.
A small bit oh. That boy no supposed die. And I sleep in the sleep when I leave and come out.
Eh?
And I sleep in the sleep when I don't I go come out.
Please, I beg you. Don't put me in trouble. Commander, go and bring him out. So I want to see him.
Mama, he's dead.
Hi!
Yes, sir. What is the problem?
Ma, I have been having terrible nightmares about Odinaka. Even this afternoon, I had a very terrible dream about him.
I saw him in my dream too, and in that dream he was flying away. I was calling him to come back. He didn't even look back.
I have been calling his number, but it is not connecting.
Continue calling him over connect. We need to know how he's faring. Now,
Is it not better you go and see him? You can go tomorrow and still come back the same day. I don't know why I'm having this feeling. I don't know why. I think something is not well with him.
my son is fine. What the heck do I mean? My son is fine. But problem, that's what I do about it. Just relax.
Hey, ma, let's do it fast.
Don't worry, we'll do something about it.
Amanda, why are you crying again?
He is innocent.
What are you talking about?
They should not kill him. Else, their punishment will be doubled.
Are you talking about Odinaka?
No man should kill another for revenge. Any revenge that spills blood is a sin, and karma doesn't forgive.
Are you talking about Odinaka?
Yes. My soul is restless, and my killer will not see light.
Who killed you? When you have to know that you
Don't!
Mom, you're back. So,
Are you okay? What is it?
I am finished. Your father will kill me when he returns.
Mom, what did you do?
He's dead.
who is dead?
Calm down, please. Don't allow your sister to hear about it. If not, she will kill me before your father comes back. Pico.
What did they do to him?
I don't know.
Hey!
I don't know.
Hey!
Odinaka is gone, no.
Commander,
Odinaka is gone.
what are you going to do?
I don't know. This is big trouble. Big one.
Big trouble!
Big one.
Hey!
I don't even know how to think. I don't even
do
know what
to
to do.
him?
What did they do to him?
Commander,
Mom, you are in trouble. I don't even know what to do.
Ama. Welcome.
Thank you.
Who you there find? Oh, Odnaka's mother.
Oh.
Thank God you're here. No, oh, child.
Because mother no here.
Let me. Hey. Hey. Welcome.
Welcome.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome, ma.
Thank you.
You took us unaware.
Because when you were, I am sorry I didn't tell you I was coming. But don't bother. I also go back. I just came to know how people are doing.
You're welcome. Auntie, you're welcome.
Thank you.
How is Esomchi and my uncle?
They are fine. They sent their greetings.
Okay, let me get you some.
Mba. Hey, Mba. Don't bother yourself. I didn't tell you I was coming. So don't bother about what to give me.
No, I mean, how can you come here and not take anything? Let me get you, even if it's a glass of water.
Mba, no problem. No problem.
I'm coming. You're welcome.
Biko, Kemaka, my son, Odinaka, where is he and how is he doing?
Odinaka, he went, I sent him on an errand. He will soon be back.
Hey, Omaka Rodi, no ma. Hey, I'm not Rodi.
No.
Oh, thank you.
No.
Thank you.
All right.
They are fine. They are fine.
Let me get you something to eat from the kitchen.
Hey, I told you not to bother yourself. You know go.
Let me get you something to eat. What will I get you now? I think you like it. Chicken.
Chicken. Hey, Omaka. Chicken, and I like yeah.
Everyone likes chicken or cocoa.
And
welcome.
Thank you. This house is very beautiful. I wish it's my husband that has this kind of money.
I am finished. Hey, I am finished. This is trouble. Big trouble. Big trouble.
She's here. I think she's here to see her son.
Yes.
Hey! What did you tell her?
I don't even know what I answered. But I think she's having the feeling of what happened. Yes.
Hey!
I even told her I want to get her chicken. Knowing fully well that we don't have chicken in this house. My God, save me.
No. Mom, what are we going? Let me think of something.
Let me just think of something.
Yes, Mom. I have an idea. Yes. Let us tell her son traveled abroad with Dad and that they will be back in few days' time.
That's a good idea.
Okay.
But what about your sister? I hope she will not come and spoil things for us.
I don't even know. Since she came back, she has been in her room crying. I don't know what is wrong with her.
God, save me from this mess.
Mom, let's go and tell her. I think this will work.
God, save me. Save me from this mess.
It's okay.
No. I am sorry. Anyway, once there is chicken in this house, my children will not allow me to sleep. Forgive me.
Hey,
just
children.
Hold this.
Oh, hi. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much. The day is fast running down.
Yes.
You are right. Please, my regards to your husband. He will hear.
Please greet my uncle.
I will tell him. I need to see him before I go to know how he's doing.
Hey, I forgot to tell you.
When my husband wanted to travel, he insisted on going with him.
Yes.
So my husband took him along.
He traveled to abroad with my father, Obodo Ivo.
Chewolo.
And they will soon be back.
Odinaka Nwam traveled to Obodo Ivo.
Yes.
What? I even escorted them to the airport. I watched him step into the
aeroplane.
Odinaka by aeroplane.
He entered aeroplane going to abroad, and when he's coming back, he will enter aeroplane and come back.
Ojebego. I can't wait to get home to tell my husband and his sister Odinaka Nwam knows Obodo Ivo. Nem, thank you very much. We heard him. We heard him. God bless you. God bless you and your husband for taking care of my family. Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Start
going.
Take.
Add it to your transport. Yes.
Yes, thank you very much.
Greet your husband.
I will.
My regards to my uncle.
I will tell him. I will tell him.
See you off.
Hey! It's for me, fellow.
Take care of my little girl.
I will. I will. You know I'm more about
Mimi, what is the matter? What is the problem?
Any problem?
She said that he's innocent. We should set him free.
Go inside. Who is she talking about? Don't mind her. Go inside.
She was serious about this. Please can't release him.
Friend, shut up and go inside. Don't worry. I'm coming to attend to you. Huh? Don't mind children of these days.
After consuming plenty food, they will go and sleep and start having useless dreams. I won't dream the useless, so please go and attend to her to know what the problem is.
Do that, become. I'm going to them body.
Mimi, are you okay? What is wrong with you?
She's still around.
Eh? You saw Amanda? Wait, did she say anything to you? He's innocent. Are you sure? When was that? Okay. I need you to go to your room, okay? Just go and watch cartoon. I will join you shopping. Good girl. Coming to meet you. Good girl. Mom, are you sure he is dead? I touched him with his boss. He is not dead. Because Amanda appeared to me and said we should save him. He is still alive. Don't say that. I just want to find out what he will do. But even at that, even if he is guilty, killing him is not the best option. I did not ask the mother to kill him. I only asked him to torture him so that he will confess. I just want to know if his father sent him to kill my daughter. I don't know. You see, Chierika was right after me. Eh? These people are just too wicked. You shouldn't have involved them in the first place. Save me from this mess. No, but we need to go and save him. Immediately. Mom.
dare you, Commander? How dare you do that? Do you know it is totally wrong and illegal for you to execute someone that has not been proven guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction? Do you know that?
Listen, we did not kill him. He died on detection.
That's a lie. That's a lie. You and your boys tortured him to death. Anyway, that is by the way. I am here to take his body.
No need for that. He's dead already.
Commander, I will not beg you for you to release his body to me. Because whatsoever you do or say is being recorded. And when the time comes, trust me, you will explain all your actions. You will.
Are you threatening me or what?
No, I have not come to threaten you. But be rest assured that this atrocity will not be swept under the carpet. No, it will not. Now for the second time, I need you to release the body of my cousin, whom you and your boys tortured to death. I want to take him to the hospital at once.
Hey, they told me your brother traveled abroad with Odinaka. Hey.
Are you serious?
It's your
Wow.
I am so happy and excited. In fact, he will come back a rich man. Hey.
Ebube is really pushing me to the wall. Why will he travel with my son out of this country without first informing me?
Yeah, nah, they just went for vacation. They will soon be back. Vacation. And okay, so
is that why I am not told? It's my son we are talking about here.
Stop taking things serious.
I am taking things too serious. It's alright. I shall inform the elders.
Hey, Odogu will be like that. There's no button to that.
There's no button to that.
But Odinaka did not tell us he is traveling. Even if Uncle did not tell us, his number stopped connecting.
Hey, I was also thinking about that thing when I was coming back. Oh. Because normally, Odinaka tells me everything that happens to him. He even told me his uncle was traveling to Budoibu, but he never said he was traveling with his uncle.
I just hope they told you the truth. I hope nothing has happened to my brother.
No, nothing will happen to my son. Nothing. What the heck am I? What the heck am I?
You still have feelings for Rita?
I really don't know how to answer that.
Why are you sounding like this? Are you afraid in your own house?
Frank, the truth is, I don't have feelings for her anymore. I strongly believe that I might regret everything if I end up with her.
I don't understand. You know this girl before proposing to her? Or is there something you recently discovered?
Frank, I keep discovering new things. Trust me, if you hear what this girl said about herself, you run away from her. Sincerely.
Tochi, you know that girl lived a reward life. In fact, you met her living a reward life. As a matter of fact, you are the one who turned her to who she is today. So what is that thing that you discover that makes you feel you can marry her?
Frank, you see, there's a certain way I want my woman to be. Don't get it twisted. Rika is a beautiful woman. She's tall, she's intelligent, she's sexy. But we just don't connect. Besides, she has a dirty past. Her past is too dirty for my liking. I mean, we can be friends and...
So, Tochi, tell me, what are those dirty things you think you can't deal with?
So, I feel like Mimi is too young to be your mother's daughter. I mean, your mother's too old to have a child her age. Don't you think so?
Well, Mimi is not my sister. She's my daughter.
What?
Uh-huh.
You never mentioned that to me.
Well, I can't possibly tell you everything about me at once. You know, with time, you get to know me better. Do you hate me for that?
Oh no, come on now, nah. How can you say that? No, of course I don't hate you. I love you. And we're stuck together.
Yes, we are stuck together.
Mm-hmm.
And I am one lucky woman, blessed to have you.
Same here. I'm blessed to have you.
Yeah. Thank you for your understanding. Handsome.
I love you.
I love you too.
Babe, what's going on now? Talk to me.
My stomach aches badly.
But babe, we'll just go back from the hospital the other time. Why are you having this reoccurring stomach ache?
I don't know. Maybe it's my past.
Your past?
Maybe my past is haunting me.
What has your past got to do with this? What do you mean your past?
I have had series of abortions in the past.
What? Like how many? How many times?
Maybe 17 or 20. I've lost count. I just hope God would forgive me.
Did I hear you say 20 times?
Hey!
Baby.
Ah!
Babe. Stop shouting now. Sorry, it hurts.
Wait. You had 17 abortions from one man and he didn't marry you?
It wasn't from one man. It was a series of men. My past is just so horrible.
Maybe I shouldn't have proposed to her. This is not the kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
You're not saying anything. You're not saying anything.
I can't marry a girl like that. No. I can't end up with a woman like that. Who knows what she's been doing behind my back?
And don't you, the thing is, have you told her about your recent decision?
But you know I can't do that now. I can't get myself to tell her parents about my decision. I feel like I'm going to lose everything.
Dochi, I strongly believe that things will work out between you two. Don't leave this girl now.
The truth is, I can date her. I can, make her my girlfriend, but I can't marry her. That's my challenge.
Listen, the person you may see as an angel may have more skeleton in her cupboard that you can never imagine. Touch the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. She's a complete woman. She's the kind of woman every man prays to have as a wife.
You're right, she's a good woman.
Then what is haunting you?
I'm not sure. I don't know how I got myself into this mess. This man has put me into trouble.
Wait. Which man are you talking about? What mess?
You won't understand. You won't understand.
Touch is very obvious you don't want to tell me what the problem is. But I suggest you speak so we can get you help.
I never knew things would turn out like this, honestly.
You know what? I think you need a therapist. Maybe you feel comfortable telling him everything. Let me take you there. Because it will cost more money bringing him here.
Frank, I'd rather spend my entire money to get help than face public embarrassment.
Public embarrassment? What are you talking about? Tochi, what is going on? Because you are beginning to scare me. Uchi.
Things are beginning to get ugly. Why do I always find myself on the spot? Why me? Why? Old wounds are beginning to bleed again. I have washed my hands off the dust. But life is forcing my hands back into the dust. But this time I will leave no stone unturned.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to kill your father? Killing your father will never ever bring your sister back to life. You will end up losing more people. Above all, you will be guilty of murder. Your father's blood will forever be found on your hands. Believe me, dear, you will regret it. You will live the rest of your life regretting it. Rika, you do not have right to take a life because you do not give life. It is an abomination in the sight of God. Please, hand me the knife. Rika, please hand me the knife. Please.
Yes, my
Rika, please hand the knife over to me.
Rika, please.